Hi guys, for today's video we're going to make a creamy mushroom chicken risotto recipe. So if you want to know how I make this, please continue watch my video. You have to try this and taste how delicious it is. So this is Helen More, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. So let's go. So the ingredients: we need chicken. I cut them into small cubes. This is tender breast chicken. We need the risotto rice, of course, Parmesan cheese. We also need butter. We also need mushroom, so you can use the fresh one. So we don't have, so I use this mushroom. And I use some craft. This is optional, you can use it or not. I use this to become more creamier. So the spices: we need the mint leaves, a little bit of basil powder leaves, salt and black pepper, a little parsley, some oregano leaves, magic cubes, the chicken flavor, 1 onion cut into small pieces, and garlic cut into small pieces. So first we're going to wash our rice. We're going to soak it for a while. Okay, we'll leave it for a while. Next step, we're going to fry our chicken. So an empty pan, you put olive oil. You have to use olive oil. Then put the chicken. So we have to fry our chicken very well. Turn it to the other side. Then put a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of salt. So as you can see, it's a little bit cooked. So we're going to switch it off. So an empty pan. We're going to put it on fire, and then we put a little bit of olive oil. Then we put our garlic and onion. Mix it well. Till it's a little bit golden brown. Then we put our mushroom. Then we put our magic cube. Smash it. Then we put our chicken. Then mix it. spices. Black pepper again. Then mix. Then this time we're going to put our rice, or the risotto rice. So after we put our risotto rice, we're going to put a 1 cup of water. Then mix it. Then we cover it. We're going to let the water dry. Then we'll see if the rice is done. Now we'll check our rice. So it's getting dry, so let it mix. When you're going to make a risotto rice, it needs time. You have to keep on stirring it so that the rice will really cook properly. So as you can see, our rice is almost done. So see, there's no water, so we're going to add again. Only a bit of water. I measure the rice first, so the measurement of the rice is the same also the measurement of the water. So I use 2 cups of rice, so I need also to use 2 cups of water. So this time we're going to add our cheese. Or the Parmesan cheese. Then a little bit of butter and 1 spoon of craft cheese. Then mix. At this time, you have to lower the fire so that the fire should balance to the rice. I can smell the fragrance of the oregano, the basil leaves, the mint. Oh, and it's cheesy, by the way. Keep on stirring it. So as you can see, almost done. Just a little bit. So now our creamy risotto with chicken and mushroom is done. So time to serve. So now our creamy risotto with chicken and mushroom is done. So you can put some cheese on the top, okay, to taste more on the flavor, and of course a mint or a basil leaves. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Happy cooking. Bye bye.